Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Butter by BTS. Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover. Gonna pop like trouble, breaking into your heart like that. Oh, if you're a beginner, this song is going to be smooth as butter for you to learn on guitar. For this lesson, we're going to be using a capo here on the first fret, and we have just 4 chords. The first chord you'll need is a G major. The second chord up is a C add 9. Just go ahead and take your first 2 fingers and move them down 1 string each. Our third chord is a D sus4, so go ahead and keep your bottom 2 fingers still anchored. Take off your top 2 and place your second finger on the 2nd fret, 3rd string. And our final chord is an E minor 7. So go ahead and take your first 2 fingers, make the E minor shape. And those are all of the chords that you'll need to play Butter. For our verse progression, we have just 1 chord, G. Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover. Gonna pop like trouble, breaking into your heart like that. Whoa! Make your G chord. Down, 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 down. Up, up, down, 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 up, down. It's very muted in the first part of the pattern, the down, 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 down. But then I kind of let up a little bit around the up, up, down, 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 up, down, like that. Our second progression is played everywhere else in the song that isn't a verse. So the pre-chorus, chorus, bridge, and outro. And the chords for this progression are C add 9 for 2 measures. And then D sus4. E minor 7. And with the strumming, it's gonna sound like this. Step right left to my feet. Mute your strings. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. Break that down a little slower. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. Now, because this progression has C add 9 for 2 measures, you will just play that full pattern. Then when you get to D sus4 and E minor 7, you will split that pattern between the 2 chords. So that transition from the D sus4 to the E minor 7 will happen on that very first up strum. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. So again, in full, it will sound just like this. Now, even though the song is fairly beginner friendly, just because there isn't a lot of material to memorize, it can still be a little tricky to move through just with some chord transitions and strumming patterns. So if you're finding that you're having a difficult time moving through and playing an entire song, I actually have a 7-day practice planner that I will link down below in the description box for you. Basically what it does is help you take songs like this and span over an entire week what you can practice every single day to make sure that you actually end up playing the entire song from beginning to end. And the reason why this works is because it makes your practice sessions more focused, more fun, and more effective. Also, I do have a full beginner course for anybody who is just starting off on guitar day 1. Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover. Gonna pop like trouble, breaking into your heart like that. Whoa! And that is how you play Butter by BTS. I can't believe I finally did my first BTS tutorial. To be honest with you, it wasn't my cup of tea. I, for some reason, just really like this song. It's super catchy. I'm getting into like the idea of teaching more of their music, and I know a lot of you are fans, and I would love to be able to help you guys out with their music. So Just let me know what you guys want to learn. Also, if you would like to share your progress and how you are doing with this song, I would love to see you check in with a video on Instagram. You can tag me at Guitar Goddess TV and use the hashtag GGCommunity.
How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, what we enemies?